Hello everyone, this is Anti with Compass. Welcome to another listing that I have located in San Jose. This home features a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, single level house with 1,846 square feet living space and a lot size of a little bit over 6,000 square feet. And this home is very close to restaurants, shops, and freeway, and very close to Harrier Park. Only 15 minutes driving distance to downtown San Jose. And we are going to have an open house this weekend, May 21st and May 22nd from 1 to 4. I will quickly show you what it looks inside, and I look forward to see you at my open house. Thank you. Come on in. Welcome home. This charming 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, single level home is filled with many windows, getting tons of natural light. As you sit here at the living room area in front of a cozy fireplace for the winter night, and you can look outside to your beautiful garden. This home has a great upside potential for remodeling with a great floor plan with 1,846 square feet of living space. Plenty of space for family or an office while you work from home. What I really love most about this home is the open floor plan here, from a combo dining room, family room, flow through the kitchen, and it's very open. It's waiting for someone to come in here and transform this into a gorgeous place to entertain guests. The master bedroom has easy access from the patio door to your beautiful yard, which is ready to be enjoyed and appreciated. Imagine working from home from your laptop, enjoying a cup of coffee, overlooking this beautiful garden. The fountain makes it so relaxing out here. Conveniently located near the park, Starbucks, Tesla Supercharging station, and many more. Come on by and make this house into your dream home.